This is the Minister of Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Ziyambi Ziyambi reply to the second reading debate on the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Bill number 3, 2026 in the National Assembly on June 17. Sana bina mashikobla yuko pangu kwa YouTube, subscribe or like on the bell icon. The news ox no blanya GT. Mr. Speaker say, I rise to reply to the second reading debate on the Constitution of Zimbabwe. Before doing so, may I thank honorable members for this spirited and constructive engagement of the bill. Over 7 sitting days, members from every province and both sides of the ISO rose to engage the bill with the energy that it does credit to Parliament. Whatever our differences, the people of Zimbabwe have watched the representatives debate the supreme law of the land with the seriousness, and that in itself vindicates the institution which this bill proposes to trust as the forum for selecting the country's head of state and government. I am also grateful for the invaluable, technically grounded contributions by my colleagues, Honorable Kazimbe Kazembe, Minister of Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage, Honorable July Moyo, Minister of Energy and Power Development, and Honorable Virginia Mabisa, Attorney General. Mr. Speaker, let me share with the Honorable House the shape of its own debate as it unfolded over a historic course of 7 sittings. A record-breaking 182 members made substantial contributions. Of these, 111 supported the bill as a whole. A further 31 supported the bill by raising reservations on specific provisions. 10 members raised issues without taking a final position, and 30 opposed the bill in its entirety. All told, 139 of the 182 were positively disposed towards the bill. 2 in 3 members of this entire honorable house rose to debate the bill.